In an early order, the country's top court rejected Yaqub Memon's desperate play on his scheduled execution. And hours later, at 7 a.m., the death warrant issued by the Tada court was executed at the Nagpur Central Jail. 22 years later, 1993 blast convict Yaqub Memon hanged in Nagpur.
At 4 p.m. on Wednesday, the Supreme Court ruled against the mercy plea filed by 1993 blast convict Yaqub Memon. That verdict set the ground for the hanging of Memon on Thursday morning. But late evening, the president had rejected the last mercy plea, closing all avenues for the terror convict. But by 11:30 p.m., things took a dramatic turn, with senior counsel Prashant Bhushan making an appearance at the Chief Justice's house. With three senior counsels approaching the Chief Justice, the bench decided on an early morning hearing in court. The counsel's argument were around Yaqub not getting enough time after the rejection of the mercy plea by the president. The Attorney General rubbished the arguments of the counsel, saying that if such pleas were allowed by the court, then the case would go on for infinity. After a 45-minute hearing, the judges ruled that since the first mercy petition was rejected in April 2014, that was the time period for calculation of the execution of the death warrant. The judges ruled that ample opportunity had been given to Yaqub Memon to plead against the judgment and then dismissed the case, setting the finality of the case.
Supreme Court has given a reasoning, which is that earlier rejection of the mercy petition was the point of starting of the challenge to the rejection of the mercy petition.
For Yaqub and his counsels, perhaps this was one last-ditch effort as they approached Supreme Court again in the middle of the night with a hearing for fresh reprieve in the light of the President rejecting his mercy plea. But in a midnight courtroom drama, the Apex Court put a final full stop to all such questions as it upheld the validity of the death warrant and also set in motion certain principles which will go down in history as case laws.
The Maharashtra government, which had issued the death warrant, then went ahead and executed the same, hanging Yaqub Memon, who had been held guilty for his role in the Mumbai blasts of 1993 that killed 257 people. Bureau Report, Times Now.